dun, dun, dun. Ooh, good open. Good tearing. Good job. Get that paper out of there. You want help? Okay.
Harper, say hello to the camera.
Oh, who's that? Mickey.
Show Mama.
Can you
What'd
show
you
Mama
get?
and say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
Look at Mama and say hi. Hey, hold it up and show Mama. Show Mama and say hi. Can you show Mama?
What'd you get?
Say hello. Oh, Mickey. Ooh.
What else is in there?
What's this? Look. What else is that? What's that? That's a puppy dog.
Get some jammies and some bibs.
That's a puppy dog. Huh. And what's that?
Bib.
Try again.
Truck.
That's a truck. It's a bib, actually. I'm sorry.
Bib. Yeah, you are
you're
correct.
You're correct. But it's.
Let her open one more. 'Cause I'm recording.
Okay, Harper. Okay. You got another one. Ruff, ruff. Do you like the dog? Here, put that back in there.
We're
Put
gonna
that in there.
open another one.
Here you go. Open this one. Open that one. You need help? Let me get you started. Here. Okay, get it done. That's good ripping. Oh, what's that?
Baby.
It is a baby. What's that baby got? What's that? What's it look like? Is Mom the person who tapes stuff to the box? Huh? What's that? Penguin. That's right. Oh. And what's that? Baby and another penguin. Ooh. Wow.
Is that a penguin? You can take all your
Can you look at Mama
frustrations
and say,
out?
thank you? Look at Mama and say, thank you. How's this thing work?
We'll blow it up in a little bit.
Can you look at Mama and say thank you? Say thanks, Mama.
Yeah, Mama.
Yeah, Mama.
Egg.
Say thanks, Mama.
Yeah, Mama.
Good girl.
Mama, have a kiss.
Give Mama a big kiss and hug.
Give
Give Mama a big kiss and hug.
Can Mama have a big hug and a kiss? Hugs. Oh, big hugs.
Good girl.
Big hugs.
Good girl. Can you give that present to Mama? Give that present to Mama.
Is that Mama's present?
Mama, play.
Let's go.
Give that present to Mama.
Is this for Mama?
Good girl.
Thank you.
Tell
To
her,
Mama from Harper T. Is that from you? Help me.
tell her open that thing up.
Open that thing up.
Open that present, Mama.
Okay, you gotta get that little piece. We can just leave it there. It's okay. Good girl. What'd you get, Mama? Woo!
What'd Mama get? What are those, Harper?
Socks.
What are those?
Thank you. Kiss this. Thank you. Thank you. Mama needed socks. Mama needed socks. Oh.
You like those socks, Harper? Yeah.
Love them.
Do you like those?
Thank you.
Can you say cheese for Dada? Like you're taking a picture? Look at me. No, you gotta look at me.
Look at Dada.
Look at me and say cheese.
Look at Dada and say cheese.
That's weak. Back to the instructions. You can't read.
Okay, let's get
You
Dada a
can't read.
present. We give Dada a present. This is to Dada from Harper. Can you give that to Dada?
You got a present for me? Oh, thank you. You gonna help me open it? Okay. Open it. Open it. I'm gonna guess there's some sort of coffee mug in a picture of Harper. Who's that? Who's that? That's Harper. Oh, you want to drink out of it? There you go. Thank you, Harper. Got a big kiss? Hey. Okay. Thank you. Okay. You got to give that to Dada. Thank
It's
you.
glass.
No.
Give it to
Give that to
Dada. It's
Dada.
glass. It's glass.
Thank you. It's,
Hey, Harper.
please.
Harper, you want to open a present?
You want to open another present?
There you go.
I'm sure you do.
Bribery.
Okay. Okay. Now this is for Mom and Dad also. Which one do you want to open first? Get him. Get him, get him, get him. Come on. You got it. Where's Mom wrap thing so difficult?
Mama's a good rapper, but not for babies, I suppose.
Hey, what's up, Mama? Oh, what are those? You know all those animals. Okay, what's that?
No.
No, what? You don't want to go to that one first? You start. What's that? That's a skunk. What's a skunk like? Ew. Well, that's the only gift you're going to stare at the whole day. You want to look at this one? You want to open this one? There might be more. There might be more. And there are. Look what else you got. More books. Baby Jesus. Oh, baby. I'm a 7-pound, 6-ounce baby Jesus. You like books, huh? You
I love Booka.
You love books. Do you really love books? I mean, really? Look at all those books you got. Look at all Harper's books. Oh. Who?
Who is that?
That's Noha.
Is that Noha?
I call him Noha. Noha.
No. Ha.
That's no baby Jesus. No 7-pound, 6-ounce baby Jesus.
The baby Jesus?
Baby.
Do you love baby Jesus?
I love you.
I love baby Jesus.
Say praise Jesus.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you give that to Mama? That's from Gabby, Abby, and Riley. Can you give that to Mama, please?
Mom, please. Mom, please. Mom, please.
Say, here you go, Mama. Merry Christmas. Close enough.